Director of Sri Jai Ganesh Ispat Limited, a memento.
Thank you for all your support.
Next, Mr. Mandar.
Thank you. To the Dempo House. All my friends sitting on the dais with me are most respected and esteemed sponsors, as well as respected members of the media. We are now poised to fight the battle for the 5th series of AGML. It's been a real privilege and a pleasure and an honor for the Dempo Group, who's always believed in sporting philosophy. We are in sports in various sectors, whether it is football, whether it is cricket. We've sponsored we have a Goodwill Ambassador scheme which assists students in pursuing their passion, and we've supported various disciplines of sports there, whether it is badminton, swimming, chess. Some of them have even become grandmasters in the chess. So it's been right from day one for this group. Sports is something that drives us in terms of our corporate social responsibility. Sports and education are our two verticals where the group has been in action for last more than 5 decades, from day one, even before CSR came into existence for the Indian corporate system. This is a tournament which is close to my heart, and one thing that you might have seen in common is most of our sponsors here, that is Mr. Vijay Khemka, who is on his way, his flight got delayed, and Ghazal Jhunjhunwala, who are part of V2J Minerals. My friend Mr. Siddharth Goyal, who is Jai Ganesh Ispat, he is the CMD of Jai Ganesh Ispat. Mr. Mandar Acharya, who is representing both Kotak Mutual Fund and Kotak Mahindra Bank. And ASK Private Wealth, whose representative is not present today. Most of these people have been with us at least for the last more than 2 years. That also shows that we believe in true partnership, and I must appreciate all their efforts in supporting, whether we had a challenging year, whether we had a good year, they have always been with us. So this is the partnership which drives us. And the same goes for our coach. Prashant is here. Prashant has been with us from day one. We don't believe in changing hands, and we are not fair weather friends. Whether we have only thing what I tell them is put in good effort. And we got Aditya Angle, who's a captain back, and he won the series for us. So I told him that when you are back here, we should see the trophy again in the Dempo House. So I warmly welcome, please Mr. Khemka, please come. I warmly welcome Mr. Vijay Khemka and Ms. Ghazal Jhunjhunwala, who have been with Dempo Challengers from day one. Please come. Ghazal, please come. Both of them have been great supporters. They not only sponsor the team, but they come all the way from Calcutta to actually participate in many of the matches. So we deeply value your association and your partnership. As I said, this year is special for us as we go on to 2026. Both, as I said, our sponsors are with us for many years. Our coach is with us, and we have Aditya back. So there is no reason why we can't aspire to have the trophy back. And something that always stands for us is the way our team spirit and the way we play. And we play as a team, not as individuals. So whenever we used to sit for the auction also, I used to tell Prashant and the whole management team that let us not focus only on one person. Because focusing too much on individuality sometimes disturbs the team dynamics. So I personally believe that we have a very well-balanced team, very well-poised team, and under the leadership of Mr. Aditya Angle, I'm sure the team will put in its best efforts. So once again, I warmly welcome and wholeheartedly thank our sponsors, and wish the team all success for this season, that is 5.0. Thank you.
Mr. Vijay Khemka, Director of V2J Mineral Private Limited.
Ghazal, Thank you. Thanks for supporting us always.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please put a round of applause.
Thank you. No, no, that's Thank you so much. Yatish. Come. Thank you. Thank you.
Now our silver sponsor, Mr. Mandar Acharya, State Head, Kotak Mutual Fund. Please give a round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Kotak.
Also from Kotak.
Yeah. I'm getting two heads.
I request Mr. Yatish to switch to the back, the jersey. Yeah. And ma'am.
पुढे पाया
Jersey.